Hello my dear students, welcome to your science class. In our previous class, we discussed some of the questions of chapter number 9, Adaptations in Animals. Let us recall the questions that we discussed. We discussed the answer of the question given in Let's Recall, page number B13. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Next, we discussed the questions A, B and C from Let's Answer part, page number B16, and the answers of those questions you were asked to write in your book, and the answer of question C from the exercise you were asked to write in your classwork copy. Today we will discuss the remaining questions of this chapter, that is question D. Answer the following questions. Today the answers whatever we will discuss, you have to note them down in your CW copy. So let's begin with question number D1. The question it is, what are adaptations? The answer it is, the body features that help animals to survive in their environment are called adaptations. Okay, this much is the answer of question number D1. Next, question number D2. The question is, differentiate between vertebrates and invertebrates. And the answer will be, here the answer I have mentioned point wise. In your copy also you have to write as it is given here on the slide. First difference it is, animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. But the animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. So it is the first difference. Next, the second one it is, vertebrates are further divided into fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Whereas animals like snails, spider, insects and worms are invertebrates. So these are the main two differences between vertebrates and invertebrates. In your classwork copy also you have to write this answer pointwise as it is given in this slide. Yes. Next, question number D3. The question is, what are terrestrial animals? The answer of this question is, animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. So this much is the answer of question number D3. Next, question number D4. The question it is, what is hibernation? The answer is, animals like bears and frogs sleep for several months to protect themselves from the cold. Such winter sleep is called hibernation. Okay, this much is the answer of question number D4. Next, moving to question number D5. The question it is, give any 3 adaptations for protection. The answer of this question, it is already given in the chapter. Yes, you can write from your book also. The answer is, 3 adaptations for protection are, first one, animals like deer and kangaroo can run very fast to escape from the enemies. Next one, porcupines have sharp and pointed quills which protect them from their enemies. And the third one, tortoises and snails have hard shells. When they face danger, they go into their shells. Okay, so these are the 3 points. In your copy also you have to write as given here. Okay, point wise you have to write and write neatly. Next, moving to question number D6. The question is, explain in brief the types of animals on the basis of food they eat. And the answer of this question will be a little bit longer. Depending upon the food they eat, animals can be categorized as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers and parasites. The first one is herbivores. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Examples: cow, horse, deer, etc. Yes. Next, coming to carnivores. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Example: lion, tiger, jackal and leopard. Then the third one, omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and the flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Dog, cat, bear, crow and human beings are examples of omnivores. Yes, and there are more too. The fourth one is scavengers. Animals that feed on the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. Vulture and hyena are examples of scavengers. Next, the fifth one, parasites. Animals that feed on or inside the bodies of other animals for food are called parasites. Lice, ticks and fleas live on the host body, while tapeworm and flatworm live inside the host body. So this much is the answer of question number D6. Yes. Next, question number D7. What are aerial animals? Write their two features. The answer is animals that spend most of their time in the air are called aerial animals. This much is the first part answer. Okay, answer of the first part of the question. Next is what? Write their two features. Two features of aerial animals are, first one is they have a pair of limbs modified as wings which help them to fly. And the second feature is they have hollow bones. Yes. So this much is the answer of question number D7. Then next, question number D8. Explain how aquatic animals are different from amphibians. The answer is animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. They have gills for breathing in water. They have fins or paddle-like feet to swim in water. Whereas animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. They have legs to move on land and webbed feet to swim in water. Okay, now see here. Here I have changed a paragraph. Yes, you also have to change the paragraph here while writing in your copy. Okay, and with this, the discussion of all the question answers of chapter number 9, Adaptations in Animal, is over. In our next class, we will start a new chapter, chapter number 10, Force, Work and Energy. Yes, you have to write the answers of the questions discussed today in your CW copy. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.